Well, walking into a school wearing a new pair of pants and a shirt may not seem like a big deal to most people, but it means the world to many kids. A group of women in Nashville are providing that sense of pride in thousands of children. With Metro students heading back to class in 2 weeks, volunteers with the Assistance League are in the final stretch of Operation School Bell.
Parent letter in, then we can start filling our orders.
Through fundraising, the League provides new uniforms to students who need them most.
Some of the kids will actually need clothing the first day of school.
Each child gets 2 pairs of khaki pants, 2 polo shirts, a belt, and socks. The cost averages out to $25.50 per child.
These are brand new clothes, and they look sharp when they go to school.
The Assistance League serves Metro elementary schools. Last year, the group provided uniforms to 2,500 students. Jack Jackson is a single dad of 3 and says the help came when he needed it most.
It's a really big program because at times I wouldn't know what to do if it was for the program. And at times you just don't have that extra $4 or $5 for that shirt or $7 or $8 for that pair of pants.
A new outfit that gives kids a whole new perspective.
To see that smile on a child's face when they walk into school feeling good about where they are and feeling like they belong and they're in a safe environment and they're looking good, they're happy, and they will participate better in that school. And that's our goal, is just to give them that feeling.
The Assistance League provides uniforms in the fall and spring. All the money the group raises in Nashville stays in Nashville. If you'd like to contribute, go to the community section of our website, WSMV.com.